Namaskar. A joyful welcome to a playful learning, Satya Skills. In this video, we are going to learn about national emblem and national motto under lesson number 2. In the last video, we learned about how Bharat became India and about our national flag. In this video, we are going to learn about borders of India also. National emblem of India. National emblem of India is 3 lions taken from the capital of Ashoka the Great, which is preserved in Sarnath Museum. The government of India adopted it on 26 January 1950. At the center of the abacus, a wheel is there. A bull and a horse on either side of the wheel are found in the emblem. The wheel is Dharma Chakram, the wheel of righteousness. In this context, remember one tricky question may be asked in the exams. How many lines are there in national emblem? Correct answer is 4 lines are there, but only 3 are visible. Okay, now let's come back to our motto. Below the abacus, national motto is inscribed in Devanagari script. Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs. This motto is taken from Mundakopanishad. Here one important point. The Indian socio-economic, cultural and spiritual systems are built on 2 words. Very, very important words. They are Dharma and Satya. These 2 are in our national emblem. Our national motto is Satyameva Jayate is taken from Mundakopanishad, which is given like this. Satyameva Jayate Nanrutam Satyena Pantha Vitato Devayanaha Yena Akramanti Rishiyo hi Apta Kama Yatra Tat Satyasya Paramam Nidhanam. It means truth alone wins, not falsehood. Truth is the path of Devas, which is widened by truth. Rishis and saints walk on this path. The highest treasure can be attained by truth alone. Now let us look into another important concept, capital city. New Delhi is the capital city of Republic of India. New Delhi was the capital city of British India, and on the attainment of independence in 1947, the government of India retained New Delhi as capital, which is the administrative headquarters of Republic of India. A brief history of Delhi. On 12th December 1911, the Emperor of British Empire, George V, declared shifting of capital from Calcutta to Delhi. Later, to accommodate administrative system, a new capital was built, and that is New Delhi. They constructed Rashtrapati Bhavan, they called it as Viceroy House, and Parliament, North and South blocks of Secretariat under Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker, the architects and city planners. Government of India continued administrative activities in the same buildings without constructing new capital or new buildings. Now, what are the borders of India? India has borders on North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, West Arabian Sea, East Bay of Bengal. India is a peninsula, thus 3 sides water and 1 side land are the borders. Thus India shares borders of land and sea with neighbor countries. According to the information published by the Government of India, India has 15,106.7 kilometers of land border and a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers, including island territories. The sea border is with Sri Lanka and Maldives. Land borders. India shares land frontiers with 7 countries. Some borders are lengthy, some are short. The border length with Bangladesh is 4,096.7 kilometers, with China 3,488 kilometers, with Pakistan 3,323 kilometers, with Nepal it is 1,751 kilometers, with Myanmar 1,643 kilometers, Bhutan 699 kilometers, and Afghanistan it is only 106 kilometers. Some states are strategically positioned on the borders of other countries. They are West Bengal, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya with Bangladesh. West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam with Bhutan. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu, and Kashmir with China. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland with Myanmar. Sikkim, West Bengal, Bihar, UP, and Uttarakhand with Nepal. Jammu, Kashmir, Punjab, Gujarat, and Rajasthan with Pakistan. Tamil Nadu and Gulf of Mannar with Sri Lanka, and the southwest of India below Lakshadweep Islands with Maldives. India is a vast land, therefore the last points of India are very important. The southernmost tip on the mainland of India is Kanyakumari. It is in Tamil Nadu state. Kanyakumari is at the confluence of Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, and Arabian Sea. The southernmost end of the territory of land is Indira Point at the Great Nicobar Island. It was formerly known as Pygmalion Point. The eastern end point is at Kibitu village in Lohit district of Arunachal Pradesh. This lies near the borders of India and China. Western end is West Gar Mota in Kutch region of Gujarat. The northernmost point is at Dadar in POK near Baik Pass. Now let us look into the question answers, how you get questions from this concept what we discussed till now. This is very important. They may ask questions like this. What is the national emblem of India? 3 lines, 4th line can't be seen. When the government of India adopted national emblem? Answer, on 26 January 1950. Where do we find our national emblem? The capital of Ashoka Great, preserved in Sarnath Museum. What is the significance of wheel on the national emblem? Answer, this is Dharma Chakra, the wheel of righteousness. Below the abacus, what is inscribed in Devanagari script? National motto, Satyameva Jayate. What is the meaning of national motto, Satyameva Jayate? It means truth alone triumphs. From where the motto is taken? It is taken from Mundakopanishad. What is the capital city of India? Answer, New Delhi. What was the capital of British India before 1912? It was Calcutta. When was Indian capital shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? It was on 1st April 1912. When was Indian capital city shifted from Old Delhi to New Delhi? On 10th February 1913. What is the southernmost point of the main land of India? Kanyakumari. What separates India from Sri Lanka? Gulf of Mannar. What are the political boundaries of India? North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, West Arabian Sea, and on the east Bay of Bengal. What is the length of Indian borders, both land and sea? 15,106 kilometers, 7,516.6 kilometers respectively. West Bengal, Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya are the border states to which country? Answer, Bangladesh. What is the border state between India and Maldives? Answer, Lakshadweep Islands. What is the westernmost tip of India? Correct answer, west of Gar Mota in Kutch region of Gujarat. What is the southernmost end of the territory of the country? Indira Point at the Great Nicobar Islands. The test. Usually the multiple choice questions will be like this in the competitive exams. The Union Territory located in Arabian Sea. A. Lakshadweep. B. Andaman. C. Dadra. D. All these. Correct answer A. Lakshadweep. Pak Strait is in between dash and dash countries. A. China and Pakistan. B. Pakistan and India. C. India and Bangladesh. D. India and Sri Lanka. D. Correct. India and Sri Lanka. Capital of India before 1912. A. Old Delhi. B. Calcutta. C. Old Bombay. D. New Delhi. Correct answer Calcutta B. Fourth question. India shares borders with Bhutan, China and Myanmar at A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Andaman and Nicobar. Correct answer C. Arunachal Pradesh. Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean are on dash and dash borders of India. North and south, east and south, East and west, south and north. Correct answer B, east and south. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.